What's going on, everybody? All right, so today we're going to talk about how to be a filmmaker with 7 easy steps. As always, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe. Let's keep growing and let's keep going. So, step one, you want to have your idea ready. Having a good idea is going to help you overall on what you're trying to build and what you're going to be filming and how everything is going to come together. Two, you want to have a good script. The script is where you want your story and how you want your story to be about. Remember, this is your idea. This is your universe. Whatever you're building, stick to your script. Number three, have storyboards. Storyboards is what's going to guide you and it's going to help you as you're filming and you're building on what you've already, sketched, or that's what you want it to be when it all comes together. Four, you want to have your cast and crew, right? This is very important. If you're going to have your cast, make sure you're going to cast the right people for each role. And you want to have your crew, meaning the people on your team, assigned to every position that you're going to be doing. For example, you want someone that's going to be holding, the mic with the boomstick. You're going to have somebody with the camera rig. It's just all these things that you want to have while you're doing and working on your production. Number five, locations, also known as sets. Locations is where you're going to film and where is it going to be? Is it going to be outdoor? Is it going to be indoor? And when it comes down to locations, you want to have a nice, decent amount of space, not just for your equipment, but you want to have enough space for your actors and actresses and whatever the scene is going to be. You have to look at it with details also because you want to have and focus on what the set is going to take place. Is it going to be in the daytime, the nighttime? Is it an indoor, outdoor, all that good stuff? Number six, filming it. So you want to get ready because now you have your script, you have your idea, and you're going to put everything. Now it's time to assemble everything while you're filming. When you're filming, this is where you add your style and you want to be unique and just add your touches because this is all preparing you for the last step, which is post-production. What do you do in post-production? This is where you add music, you add effects, you add transitions, everything that has to do with your project, whatever it is that you're building. This is where it all comes together. Your music, your audio, your filters, anything and everything. If you're doing, science fiction type of movie, you want to have those special effects and all those good things that are going to make your movie stand out even more. Or maybe you're not doing that. Probably you're doing a horror or a comedy. It all depends how you're going to add your filters, what and how you're going to add your sounds and everything that has to do with whatever programs that you're using in order for your project to all come together and it can actually look very nice. Because in the end, in post-production, all of these things are needed and they all come together, and this is where you're going to show your final vision. And when you're giving it and showing it to your audience, whether it's going to be on YouTube or it's going to be, at a film festival, this is where all your techniques come into play in post-production. Here you have everything. So these are just the basics and the easy steps for you to start filming. So go out there, start filming. It doesn't matter how you're doing it. You could use a phone, you could use a professional camera. The thing is, go out there, start filming, make your passion a reality. As always, if you like the content, hit that subscribe, and until next time.